Good afternoon. In today's video about the Mercedes W116, I will show you how we're gonna remove this very simple headrest. As you know, on the Mercedes it's pretty easy to remove them, but on those models it can be a bit tricky. So let me show you now how we're gonna do that. Here we are with the headrest, and before I show you how we're gonna remove it, I will have to fix one tiny little problem, and I will show you right now what it is. Okay, so let's lift it up like if we want to remove it. Oof. Okay, as you can see, that should never be that hard. Okay, now let's put it down. Okay, so we're gonna fix that now. Okay, to fix that is actually very easy. I'm gonna use a little bit of lubricant. Okay, not to make any advertising for anybody, but this works a treat. Okay, so I'm gonna lift it up, place a bit of that lubricant, and then let's follow it up. Now that this problem is now fixed, let's return to how to remove the headrest. So for this, we lift it up to its maximum position. Ooh, what a pleasure, really. And now that it's at its top, if you look below here, you will feel a bump right here. Okay, it's just below that bar. Okay, there's a button, you just press it. So that car is obviously old and it's never been used for a long time. Okay, so it could be a bit hard, but if you press it, they should go. Here we go. You see, it just freed up, you see, on that clip. I hope that you have liked the video, and I will continue shooting some from time to time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, of course, if you want to be updated of new videos that will be coming along. Okay, till then, see you in the next one. Ciao.